Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Terminal with Ctrl plus Alt plus T so you can run commands immediately. First, confirm your Ubuntu release using LSB Release A. This matters because package names and repositories can differ. Once you know the version, refresh the package index with sudo apt update so installations use current metadata. Make sure to use sudo only when prompted. It elevates permissions and prevents failures. These steps create a reliable base for everything that follows. You will install and manage software using apt commands because they handle dependencies automatically. To install, run sudo apt install package name. Apt will list required packages and ask for confirmation. If you need a package name, use apt search keyword to find it. When removing software, prefer sudo apt remove package name and then sudo apt auto remove to clear orphan dependencies. During these steps, read prompts carefully and watch for held or broken packages so you finish common tasks by manipulating files and fixing permission issues. Move with cd and inspect with lsla. View files using cat or less to avoid loading huge files into memory. If you get permission denied, change ownership with sudo chown user. Group file or adjust access with chmod, but be deliberate to avoid exposing sensitive files. If apt reports broken packages, run sudo apt fix broken install to repair dependencies. One troubleshooting tip: check sudo journoctl z for recent system errors when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.